mercy matrix. Well, I wanted to give you a little background on today's topic, and basically it came about a couple weeks ago when, for whatever reason, I had deleted a couple apps off my iPod Touch. And of course, I waited for the, fourth generation iPod Touch with the cameras in the front and back and everything else, and thought life was great. I did everything with it, taking attendance with Power School and everything. And then I realized one day that I was missing the Power School app. So of course, I went to the iTunes store and searched and Googled and talked to Sharon, and I was pulling out my hair, couldn't figure out what I did wrong. So finally, I figured out just this morning that there's actually not an iPod Touch application for Power School. What it is, it's a little button that's created when you save the mobile website to your iPod Touch. So I'm going to show you today how to do that. So we're going to go into the iPod Touch and swing over to Safari. And I'm just going to navigate to the motherofmercy.powerschool.com/teachers site. And normally you would just get this login window. But what the Power School site has is actually coding on the back end that allows the website to detect whether or not you're navigating from a laptop or a mobile phone or whatever. And what happens is it switches over to this just slightly different interface that you see on the screen. So what is actually going on is it's running a mobile application indirectly through this website. And so everything you're doing, you're technically navigating through Safari. All right, so I'm logging in, and after I put in my username and my password and log in, you come to a fairly simple screen. As you see here, the schedule, attendance, rosters, birthdays, daily bulletins, etc. But I want you to look down below. On your navigation screen, you get that little box with the link button. What that link button will allow you to do, if you click it, is actually take you to a series of menus that allows you to add bookmark, etc. Notice the second button down that says Add to Home Screen. This was the part that I'd missed. Alright, so once I press that button, what comes up is a little dialog window that says Add to Home. Gives a little icon that's going to show you on your iPod home screens, on the touch screen itself, and then you just call it whatever. In this case, I labeled it Power Teacher. It makes sense for me. So then once you click Save, it adds that icon to your screens. The next thing I wanted to do was actually drag it to my kind of dock of my iPods. So what I had to do is rearrange my iPod desktop. So you push and hold gently on one of the applications until you get the fuzzies with the little X's up in the corner. The icons will actually shake. Move them about to make the room on your iPod. And then you can drag those into your home dock or put them on any page that you have. Next up, I'll actually take you through the same steps to add the subs, the Power Teaching sub window, as a separate button.